In today's video, I'm going to go ahead and give you the latest update from the USCIS regarding the COVID-19 vaccination and the approval of your green card application. Plus, important announcement from the National Visa Center regarding F, M, and J visa applicants. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to Itascorner. My name is Ita. I am an immigration consultant here based in the US. So if you need any help with your immigration application or have questions, make sure that you schedule a 30-minute consultation with me, and you can also send me an email. On this channel, I update the public on what's going on with the USCIS, the National Visa Center, and the US embassies. So make sure that you subscribe and be part of this amazing channel. To my new and returning subscribers, thank you and welcome. Now let's go ahead and get straight to the video. Important news, guys, very important news. The USCIS released a statement on September 14, 2021 to the public regarding COVID-19 vaccination requirement for immigration medical examination. The USCIS announced that starting October 1st, 2021, applicants subject to the immigration medical examination must be fully vaccinated against COVID-19 before the civil sergeant can complete an immigration medical examination and sign Form I-693 report of medical examination and vaccination record. This requirement is effective October 1st, 2021 and applies prospectively to all forms I-693 signed by a civil sergeant on and after that date. The USCIS states that they are working to update Form I-693 and the instructions to incorporate this new requirement. Now, the COVID-19 vaccination is not the only vaccination that is needed for Form I-693. There are others. I'm going to go ahead and list a few of them and provide more information in the video description. The civil sergeant provided by the US Immigration will perform a standard physical. You will need to bring all your vaccinations that you've taken in the past. You will need to bring your vaccination card with results from your prior vaccinations. Some required vaccinations needed for Form I-693 include Hep A and B, influenza, mumps, varicella, and rubella. You will also do TB screening, syphilis blood tests, and gonorrhea urine tests. All this plus more needs to be submitted with your Form I-693. Like I said, I will provide that information in the video description box so you could take a look at what are the other requirements for Form I-693. Now, regarding COVID-19 vaccination for Form I-693, the USCIS may grant blanket waivers if the COVID-19 vaccine is not age appropriate. I believe you have to be less than 12 years old, contraindicated due to medical condition, not routinely available where the civil surgeon practice, or limited in supply and will cause significant delay for the applicant to receive the vaccination. Individuals may also apply for individual waivers based on religious belief or moral convictions by submitting Form I-601, application for waiver of grounds of inadmissibility. And this applies to green card applicants in the US and also outside of the US. Now, this is very important. Your green card application can be denied or delayed if you refuse to take the COVID-19 vaccination. Go ahead and comment down below and let me know how you feel about that. Next, I'm going to go ahead and give you an important announcement from the National Visa Center regarding FM and J visa applicants. The Department of State put out a statement on September 14, 2021 for FM and J visas. It basically states that they gave full authorization to consular officers through the end of 2021 to expand the categories of FM and J visa applicants, which are students, professors, research scholars, short-term scholars, or specialists whose applications can be adjudicated without an in-person interview in their consular district of residence, with certain exceptions. Consular officers may, if they so choose, and pursuant to local conditions, now waive the visa interview requirement for FM and academic J visa applicants who were previously issued any type of visa and who have never been refused a visa unless such refusal was overcome or waived, and who have no apparent ineligibility or potential ineligibility, or first-time FM and academic J visa applicants who are citizens or nationals of a country that participates in the visa waiver program, provided they have no apparent ineligibility or potential ineligibility. This applies only to non-US citizens who are nationals of eligible countries. Details about country ineligibility and necessary procedures will be available on the website of the relevant embassy or consulate. Applicants from non-visa waiver program countries whose prior visa was issued when they were less than 14 years of age may need to submit biometric fingerprints, but can still be approved for an interview waiver. Furthermore, the Secretary of State, Antony Blinken, has previously found FM and academic J visa applicants eligible for national interest exceptions under presidential proclamations that suspend entry of individuals present in one of the 33 countries subject to COVID-19 travel restrictions. Students seeking to apply for a new F1 or M1 visa should check the status of visa services at the nearest embassy or consulate. Those applicants who were found to be otherwise qualified for an F1 or M1 visa will automatically be considered for an national interest exception to travel. Students and academics traveling on J1 visas must contact the nearest embassy or consulate prior to travel to receive an national interest exception. Now, I will provide the link down below for those countries that were included in the national interest exceptions under the presidential proclamation that suspended entry of individuals subject to the COVID-19 travel restriction. The Department of State also wants us to know that international students are now and always among the Department of State's highest interest priorities. The department recognizes the important contributions these students make to our college and university campuses, the positive impact they have on U.S. communities, and the rich benefits of academic cooperation in increasing cultural understanding, furthering research knowledge, and supporting U.S. diplomacy. The department is committed to supporting the U.S. academic community while addressing U.S. laws. The department also recognizes this is a critical period of time for students seeking to begin their studies at academic institutions across the U.S. So this is great news for FM and J visa applicants. Consular officers can now waive these applicants in-person interview, which will be a much quicker process. I hope this video was very informative and helpful to each one of you. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below, send me an email, and schedule a 30-minute consultation with me. Make sure that you subscribe and tell everyone to subscribe. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, and turn on your notification bell so you never miss another video from me. Thank you for watching Itascorner, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.